Hello students, today we will do the lab activity of chapter 7 that is given on page number 60. So let's start. First of all, open MS Word and start typing the paragraph that is given on page number 60. Do not apply any formatting effects. We will apply the formatting effects later. So just typing as it is that is given in the book. After you finish with the typing, read the instructions that is given on page number 61. See, now our text is ready. So first of all, select your entire text and increase the font size to 14. Now read the first instruction. So first of all, select the heading Dreams and change the font to Tahoma. Either you can type in the text box or you can find out from the drop down. So Tahoma I have selected. Now change the font size to 17. See, 17 is not there, but you can type in the text box. Now do the alignment. There are total 4 alignments. So do the center alignment as it is a heading. Now apply bold and underline effects. Now change the font color. Done. So this 2 instructions completed. Now select the points from direction to deadlines and change the font to Arial and apply italic effect. Now click on the bullets button and observe the change. Arial font you have to select. See. Now italic. So this is also done. Now the next instruction, select the word goals. So double click on that word and change its font size to 16. If you want to select the word, simply double click on it and underline the text that is starting with steps and ends with the reality. So we have also given the underline effect. Now highlight the last 3 points, means give the bold effect, and here we are going to apply the numbering effect. So click on the numbering button and choose the number of your choice. So finally we are left with the picture. So what to do if you want to insert a picture? If you want to insert a picture, click on Insert tab and click on the button Clip Art. One clip art pane will open on the right side. There are many pictures available in the library. Select the picture related to your content. Right now our content is dreams. Okay, so you can choose the picture that is related to the dream. Now finally I will select this picture, that blue one, and I will insert it by simply clicking over that. See, now my picture is inserted, but as you can see that the design is getting disturbed. So for that you can choose the option text wrapping, that is there in the arrange group, or else simply you can right click and choose the option in front of text. So now it is easily movable. You can easily move it. So finally our task is end. that is the lab activity. Now finally save the file with the file name dreams and click on the save button. Done. So students, try these activity at your home. Thank you.